Hey, what's going on? Alright, so I want to talk about something I don't talk about. My ARP on my 556 ARP setup. So I got it broken down, and this one is kind of special to me because this one was my first ARP build. So this one broken down, but this one can take that I'm about to put together, can take a 556, and also I have a boat that can take 22s. All you got to do is just change out the boat and it can shoot 22s or 556. So this is the only one I have that can shoot that, both of them, because the other ones I do have is side chargers. And of course, this boat got to come out to put this 22 boat in there to make it shoot. And this is a rear charger ARP. Put it together. Close that. Also, I'm gonna talk about my setup. So I do have a sling on here where I can, put it on. I have grips on the side. So when I need to grip that, I have a light. Or I can just press this button and it comes on like that. Optics, pop-up sights. And the reason I have my light at the bottom, well, I don't know, I like this profile down here like that, so when I'm holding it, and I got a weird way of shooting. I know, most people will shoot like this. I kind of shoot to the side a little bit. I don't know why, I just do. I'm pretty good at shooting like that. So, anyway, ain't nothing in here. So, to change the boat out, I'll just have to put the rear charger in here. There we go. Oh, should be able to put it in here. Like that. And you close it. Now let's shoot 556. Which is these. I don't want to put them in there because I'm not ready to load just yet. And if I want to shoot 22s for pretty much planking, I wouldn't recommend shooting 22s for self-defense. I just change out to this carry to a 22. That way I can practice and shoot and not waste expensive rounds. I still would recommend you practice with 556 or whatever, 223 and 556. But if you want to plank and save some money, use this. So now with that in there, I can shoot 22s. And it does come with a mag. I'm not gonna load it, but see. So yeah, I'm gonna change that back because I need my 556 to be in here. Only thing I hate is you gotta get this lined up and get in there. Alright, so now I can shoot 556. Take that back out, double check that. But my profile on this is I got 2 ways in closing the bolt. So again, there's nothing in here. So here I can just press this down, close the bolt. Or I can press it on the other side. This loops around to like a trigger light. So hit that, close the bolt. I have a extended mag button to release it for a faster mag drop. So I know you've probably seen these videos of me doing that. that's why I have that on there, so I can drop it quicker. I mean, you could do that with a regular one anyway. Now, for some reason, if I have to drop it on the other side, I can. So ambidextrous. I kind of modified that too, cut that down because this was in the way, but I can drop it on this way, on this side too. So, yeah, so this is my ARP. I like the profile. I do have an under grip on here, but it's a certain way I hold it. So I hold it like this, where my hand can easily press this button and cut the light on. That's what I love about ARs, because you can make it the way you want it. Now this I have on here, just in case I want to take this off, and I have this, just pull this back. But I don't really take this off, but it's there just in case. I do have an optics. I don't want to point that way, but I do have an optics on here. So pretty good. Not the fanciest one, but it do the job. My better one is on my other gun. So yeah, that's my profile, it's my setup, my ARP.